Newton think the gravity from fall to free. Oh, what the gravity? What the?
How many?
How
You
many?
mean okay? How many the gravity is?
Sorry, Miss Rumus.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Rumus is pattern.
Pattern. Okay, from the
Pattern.
falls down to him, and he think about the pattern. M multiplied A, the pattern of gravity.
Okay, great. You know that person because the person creates a formula of gravity. Oh, do you like physics?
I don't like physics because it's so hard to
Remember?
menghitung in English.
Count.
Yeah. I hard to count the rumus in English.
Formula or pattern?
Okay. I'm hard to count the pattern and formula.
Oh, okay. All right, Mr. Afif. Thank you for your nice answer. Now I'm gonna go to Mr. Echo. What invention do you ever know?
Okay, Miss. I don't know the names actually who is the found this invention, but there is someone from Chinese.
From China.
Yes, China. It is so long time ago. I'm a soiler. I mean, maybe my job in Wall Street. I know about compass. It is compass, and it is something that we know where is we are now without. I mean we know, although in the middle of sea, we know where is the south, where is the west, where is the north, just like that, by using compass.
Wow.
So so we it's like time for flying. We know where is the right side to Kaabah, it's like that. So this is so useful for the people, especially who work in the sea or pilot, it's like that.
Okay. Great, Mr. Echo, and thank you for the knowledge. I just know the founder of the compass, and compass is very useful for us even now, because without compass we don't even know the time, maybe.
Yes.
Because we don't even know the time. We don't even know where is the direction if the Muslim want to pray, like that. And if we lost, what will we hope except compass? We can only hope for compass. When I was child, I remembered that there is a shoes. In that shoes or bag, maybe there is a compass, but I didn't know the function when I was child. Now I know what is it for. Okay, great, Mr. Eko, thank you. Next is Mr. Dani. Have you answered this question before? Yeah, have you ever, Mr. Afif, have you ever invented any invention?
Wait. Sorry. Have you ever invented any invention? Okay. I forgot about ever invented any invention because I forgot about this because it's been long. Wait. I forgot about this, Miss.
Oh, you forget about this, but you have ever invented any invention?
Yes, I forget.
Okay. All right. What about Mr. Eko? Have you ever invented any invention, Mr. Eko? Pernah menemukan suatu penemuan?
Okay. I think that is so long time ago. Maybe it's like, what is the meaning? It's like a stupa. What's scary that? It's mean so long time ago. Temple. It's like temple. My hometown ever found it. The under of lands. There are many kind of the temple that is from Mojopahit temple, I think.
Oh, okay. Your family. It's your family or you? Only you?
With my parent, my father especially.
Okay.
It is from Tulungagung.
Okay. So what do you do with that stuff?
Yes. My father said it to what is it? Chief of the village, Kepala Desa, I mean, that is it. And then after that, continue to like cagar budaya. I mean, yes. After that, not so more time. There are many what skeletons dari pusat Jawa Timur, especially to come to Kampung, and but unfortunately not continue the part about the temple about the Mojopahit, not continue.
Okay, wow, it's a very great invention anyway. You found a temple. Okay, so what is the name of the temple, Mr. Eko?
Gayatri.
Gayatri. Yeah, I'm sorry?
Gayatri.
Gayatri.
Yes, that is, I don't know, family connection about Majapahit.
Okay. Wow, great, Mr. Eko. Next person, Mr. Danny. Have you ever invented any invention?
I never, Ms Yosi. But in the work, maybe same with Ms Gultom.
Same as Mr. Gultom?
During 5 years ago, my team in the work, but I have found to strategy in engineering, in the manufacturing method at work. It can benefit the company around. Jadi dapat keuntungan based on strategi tersebut, and then to the benefit is the 3% in the income, I think. For example, is the layout logistic flow, and then to layout in warehousing. I think so.
Okay, great, Mr. Danny, because you found something that which is useful for your company, right?
Yes, correct.
Is your invention still used by your company, your strategy?
Yes, correct. The font is from me, and then I'm explanation to my management about the approve and the explanation, and the actual in the year for the improvement about to the font is the problem.
Okay, great. Well, I think someone who has graduated from from her or his university, they did a scriptsy or a paper. It is
Yes.
one of inventions.
I think
We didn't realize, but it is one of an inventions. Well, Mr. Dai, have you ever invented any invention?
until this time, I never invented any invention.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. But if I invented an invention, I will.
In the 2 day, not use lamp. I'm very I think the abnormal condition.
Okay,
But
so
the
without
lamp is very important. Yes.
yeah, so you think like without light or lamp, my life will be dark like that. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Mr. Danny, for the answer. Next, Mr. Afif, in your opinion, what is the greatest invention in this world?
I know is Eugene Du Bois. He
Wow.
invented Pithecanthropus erectus fossil, or we say ancient humans.
Okay, yeah. Why do you think that is the greatest?
Because all the people don't know about ancient humans, and ancient humans. Sorry, sebenarnya,
In fact,
on the world before Masehi.
okay. So, I can conclude that you are a fan of Darwin. Do you know Darwin, who has a method yang manusia dulunya dari kera? You know that
I know
theory?
Darwin, Charles Darwin.
Oh yeah, Charles Darwin. Are you a fan of Charles Darwin, or do you like studying history?
I know that. Yeah, I learned in anthropology.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Afif, for your answer. Next is Mr. Gultam. In your opinion, what is the greatest invention in this world?
I think, in my opinion, the greatest invention is the equipment for family planning or birth control. Ya, penemuan peralatan KB ya. We can imagine if no birth control, how Indonesia population become the big number. Yeah, if no control by government, two children is enough. Yeah, I don't think. Like in my hometown, people have 10 children, 12
Wow,
children.
okay.
Yeah. You can imagine they don't care about birth of control.
How the children live in the future, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's very important.
Okay. Well, I think that is the answer for bapak-bapak ya. We call it bapak-bapak nowadays. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Gultam, for the answer. Next is Mr. Eko.
Yes. This is talking about the time. I mean, the greatest invention in the world, and I think that is about what. Yeah, what. So we know about the time. So what should I do for today? We can make a schedule for a day, and we make something daily activities. So a good in job. I mean, unfortunately, there isn't the name who is the first time invented about the words in here. Because in this article, it's like this. They start from Yunans, after that from Chinese also, and so many time by time there are many. Innovation to make time good for information for human. Especially what's.
Okay, good job, Mr. Eko. Yeah, I think so. Without watch, maybe you will come late every time you have something to, you have an appointment or something, some event you have to attend, like that. Well, the time is over. Do you have any question? No question? All right. If you don't have any question, I'm sorry if I have mistaken. And oh yeah, I would like to remind you that tomorrow, if it is already 8 p.m., please just click the link and join the meeting soon, because at 8 p.m. I have just finished teaching elementary students, so I want you to just join my class shortly, like that. Okay, if there is no question, I'm sorry if I have mistaken. Once again, let's close this meeting by praying begin. Finished? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.